Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for July 13th, 2018. Friday the 13th. We're expecting mostly sunny skies across the region today. Winds are going to start shifting to the south today, so we are going to increase the humidity a little bit, but temperatures are going to be very similar to what they were yesterday. If you look off to the right of the screen here, you can see what was once Hurricane Beryl coming through the Caribbean. It just died off into a weak wave, and it's going to try to regenerate a little bit as it moves off to the east and off to the northeast, kind of the same manner that Chris did a few days ago, but this is going to be very insignificant. May have an increase in rip currents along the shore, but I think it'll be minimal as this heads off to the north and east. But we are mostly sunny today. Again, winds out of the south, so we increase the humidity a little bit, but temperatures will be very similar. Mid-80s or thereabout, within a few degrees of mid-80s on either side of it across the regions today, and a pretty nice day for your Friday. Going forward from this point, we have a nice Saturday coming too. We're going to have a front across the north. This should stay there. Here's the frontal boundary up to the north. Here's the remnants of Beryl still in the picture, but heading off to the north and east and away from our region. We should increase the temperatures a little bit here on Saturday and get close to the 90-degree mark in most places, maybe upper 80s further north. And then this frontal boundary is going to start moving south, and it should start coming in, bringing scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday overnight into very early Sunday morning. I don't think Saturday and Sunday during the daylight hours we're dealing with precipitation. So for all intents and purposes, the time you spend outdoors where plans will be ruined and things like that should be dry. Okay, so we're looking at that to come in overnight. Change for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And going over the NAM high-res future simulated radar, and I'm starting this off this picture here at 2 a.m. So 2 a.m. on Saturday night. So actually technically early Sunday. And you see this scattered showers and storms line moving off to the south here. This is still going to the wee hours of the morning, Sunday morning. So here's a look at just before sunrise on Sunday, and then that's out of the picture. And just an isolated chance for a brief passing shower here later on Sunday afternoon and evening. Not a real big deal. We do have isolated chances kept in the forecast for that period. It'll be at like an after 2 or 3 o'clock thing on Sunday, and it would be isolated. Most areas are going to stay dry. These are very pop-up, hit or miss, not a real big deal, but some areas may get a thunderstorm, so I don't want to say it's going to be completely dry this entire weekend. For most areas, it will be during the time that you would spend outside, okay? So any shower and thunderstorm activity right now, timing of that, as far as Saturday night is concerned, it looks like it's coming in maybe late evening or around midnight, and then moving off to the south and ending right around dawn or just before. So not really a big deal if you're not going to be up that late and outdoors. So just keep that in mind this weekend. Overall, this weekend is a mostly dry, and I think we can call this a third straight weekend of dry weather just because we're not dealing with, an entire day of cloudy and just rainy and dreary. Although we do need the rain. We're starting to get into a long stretch here. We've been in a long stretch of very inactive weather, and we could definitely use some rain. Some grass is turning brown across the region. But we'll have some opportunities here. We're going to have another opportunity here. Here's later Sunday with that isolated stuff we were talking about. As you get to Monday, there could be along a prefrontal trough. We have a cold front moving in that's going to come through on Tuesday, which is all the way back here. There's going to be a prefrontal trough axis that's going to set up out ahead of this, and there could be ahead of that prefrontal trough or along it. It's going to scatter showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be favoring our western counties, though, out towards central PA for that activity, and that will be later on Monday. So Monday's another day, hot, partly cloudy, late day storms after, say, 2 o'clock. There's a risk for that to start coming in the picture through the early evening. These are diurnally driven, though, which means they just occur during the day and then just fall apart, and there's nothing left. As we get to Tuesday, a more organized area of activity, along with scattered showers and thunderstorms, are going to move through the region. This is along the actual cold front, and this could have, depending on the timing of this, and if we get enough heating out ahead of it, we'll have to watch for some stronger storm potential on Tuesday. It's all going to come down to timing with this front. So I don't want to jump the gun with that. It's still at the predictability of this range is a little bit too low. So we're just going to wait on that a little bit, just show that the opportunity's there for at least scattered showers and thunderstorms, but we're going to monitor for something, a little bit stronger if the timing is right with this front itself. But that comes through mainly scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon on Tuesday, maybe getting out early afternoon in areas further west. So here's early afternoon. You can see getting into central PA already. By the time we get further east, though, is where we think we have the opportunity for the scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday with the front. And then that goes through Tuesday evening, and that wraps up pretty quickly, so that by the time we get to Wednesday, we're left with partly cloudy skies in the wake of the front, lowering humidity. Temperatures go back down to the mid-80s. And then once we get to Thursday, we're mostly sunny skies. And again, close to the mid-80s, near average for this time of year. And again, low humidity. Another frontal boundary likely to come through here again on Friday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marters. That is your outlook for July 13th, 2018. Have a great Friday.